Today I'll show you how to create a blog post on WordPress, clearing up some common confusion about using Elementor for blogging, and share some expert tips to make your posts stand out. While Elementor is a powerful tool for designing websites, posts are still created in WordPress posts section. Elementor can enhance the design and layout of your post through templates, but the content creation starts in WordPress. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Post and Add New. Add a title, write your text content. This is where a story or article takes shape. You can customize your URL for better SEO once published. You can organize your post effectively for user navigation, choose an eye-catching image for your post, and predefine a summary or let WordPress auto-generate it. Once you're satisfied, simply hit the publish button and your blog will be live. Now let's talk about Elementor. If you have Elementor Pro, you can design templates that define the appearance of your post. Here's how. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Templates and click on Add New Template. You can select single post and give it a name like blog post template. Use the drag and drop interface to customize the layout. You can add headers, footers, and dynamic widgets for content like titles. Save and assign it to all blog posts or specific categories. Templates let you maintain a consistent design across all your posts, saving you hours of repetitive work. Remember, content creation happens at WordPress and not Elementor. Keep Elementor and WordPress up to date to avoid compatibility issues, and always customize your permalinks and meta descriptions for better search engine visibility. You can use tools like Yoast SEO or Rank Math to optimize your post for search engines. Using Elementor templates can help your post stand out visually. Clean, minimalistic designs perform better. Blogs with embedded multimedia like videos or infographics see higher engagement. And you can use tools like ChatGPT to boost your writing productivity and quality.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.